Charles, can you just expand a bit more on the hidden gems behind the wall that we saw previously, which is this?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So what we got on the wall behind us are the Cinematech acoustic panels, and they come in 3 flavors. We've got a diffuser panel, a reflector panel, and an absorber panel. And the reason that we partner with Cinematech for these panels is they treat all frequencies down to 150 hertz, which is really important because most panels don't go that low. Mm-hmm. Secondly is when we're acoustically treating a room, normally you have to build out the walls quite far. Mm-hmm. And you'll know, being from London, that the space is valuable, right? And we don't want to lose a foot off each side of our room.
Space is huge for us.
Exactly. Now, these panels on the wall behind us are literally screwed straight into plasterboard, so we're losing about an inch off the actual dimensions of the room on all 4 sides if you wanted to.
For you architects out there, don't have a heart attack.
Yeah, absolutely. But it's
that's not much.
No, it's not much. But it's being able to provide solutions for people's problems, without throwing up more issues.
Makes sense. Love it. Okay, brilliant. And this is just the background, essentially, of what is behind the fabrics.
Yeah, absolutely.
And do we have different type of panels for different scenarios, or is it essentially one thing that sort of fits more in most cases?
No, we have, as I said, there's 3 flavors. They are, when we acoustically design a room, we decide what software decides what panels are going to go where.
Okay.
So you get a sort of a map with a legend that says, right, Stefan, the first meter, this is going to be an absorber panel. The second meter is going to be reflector. The third meter will be diffuser. So it's properly worked out exactly what panel is going to go where and why. There's science behind it.
Love it. I think that's quite good. Thank you.